How to pay with Paysafecard on Eneba. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Paysafecard is a prepaid payment method that allows you to make online purchases without revealing your personal financial information. And here is how you can use it on Eneba. Firstly, you will get the chance to purchase a Paysafecard. You can buy your Paysafecard vouchers at various retail outlets such as supermarket, gas station, etc. Select the desired amount. Once you got yourself your Paysafecard voucher, head over to your Eneba. Once you are in your Eneba, you'll get the chance to select the game or product that you wish to purchase. Add the item to your cart and proceed to check out. Choose the Paysafecard as a payment method. Enter the 16-digit PIN code from your Paysafecard voucher. To complete the purchase, tap on the Pay button. Your purchase will be processed through the fund from your Paysafecard. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.